And we're back to learning Inkscape in the year day 97. Let me show you how you can create gradients with transparent color stops. We'll get back to a rectangle, then we use the gradient tool, we add color to the fill and we use linear gradient. Then just left click drag. And by default there is already a transparency inbuilt for color stop 2. And by default, you already get a transparent color stop 2. That's indicated by this checkerboard design right here. And let us go to Object Fill and Stroke. Here's our gradient scale. Let me drag this stop to the center and I add a new one. So there's the plus sign, then I double click on the scale. That creates a third color stop. And I make this bluish again. Let me make that a little bit darker. So we're relatively close to the start color, and in the center we have this pinkish color. And if we wanted to make it transparent, you already know we can adjust the opacity, but this is going to adjust the transparency for the entire thing, so the entire rectangle. And we only want to make one color stop transparent. So let's get back to 100 for opacity. So select the color stop, for example, here on this left-hand option in the menu, and then you can just turn down the alpha channel to 0. And this makes it transparent. You can do that with every color stop. So here on left, right, and even in center. And when it is transparent, as once again indicated here by this checkerboard design, you can do that with as many color stops as you want. Let me delete the center one, and you can see now we have transparent to bluish again. So this is how you can add transparency to your gradients in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.